Bonjour and welcome to French 1 with Mr. McCoy. This is lesson 27, dedicated to the numbers 61 through 100. Now, I'm assuming at this point you've mastered your numbers 0 to 60. If you feel, on the other hand, that you need to review the numbers 0 to 20, you can find those in lesson 5. If you feel like you need to review the numbers 21 through 60, those you can find in lesson 17. So again, our learning objective for this lesson will be for you at the end of the lesson to count, or to be able to count all the way to 100 in French. Now again, I hope you remember from lesson 17, the way we learned to count all the way to 60. Just to review real quick, if I asked you, would you be able to count all the way to 60 by tens real quick? If so, you'd have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And again, I hope you remember from lesson 17 the way we counted the pattern that repeats itself, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, and so forth. Okay? For example, we said if we wanted to count, for example, from 50 to 60 in French, I hope you remember again, we would have 50, et puis 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, et puis 60. Okay? Now it turns out that pattern will actually carry us all the way to 69. Okay? So count with me. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, et 69. Okay? But here's where it's going to get a little bit different. Okay? Yeah, we saw that pattern for counting, for example, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. But it turns out when we count from 60, we're actually going to go ahead and count all the way to 79. Okay? We're going to take the numbers 1 through 19, added to the word for 60, to count from 61 all the way to 79. Okay? So again, we don't have another word for 70. Okay? So 70 is going to be 70. Okay, remember, 68 would be 68, 69, 69, 70, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, all the way to 79, 79. Okay? Again, I hope that makes sense. Count from 60 to 79 in French. You have 60, and then basically you have after it the numbers 1 to 19. Okay? Okay? Alright. So again, 80 to 99 basically do the similar thing. Okay? We don't actually have a word for 80, so to speak. Okay? We say in French for 80, 80. 80. And maybe it reminds you of like 4 score. Okay, like in the Gettysburg Address. 407 years for 87. Okay? So again, to count from 80 all the way to 99, again, we'd use the word for 80, 80, and have the numbers for 1 through 19 afterward. Okay? So let's count together from 80 to 99. Okay? We'd have 80, remarquez le S. Okay? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Et ensuite, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 99, et enfin, finally, enfin, 100. Okay? And there we have just counted all the way to 100 in French. Okay? All the way to 100. So, just notice at the even 80, 80 with an S. Okay? But don't put the S anywhere else. Okay? Also, don't try to pronounce a liaison in front of an 11. Okay? 91 be 91. 91. Okay? So again, 60 to 79, 80 to 99. Okay? You have your number for 60, 60, or your number for 80, 80, and you're basically counting 1 to 19 after that each time. Okay? Until you get to 100, 100, 100. Okay? Alright? Well, we'll practice with that in class. Go over that. Watch it a couple times if you need to. Again, we'll try that in class. Merci et au revoir.